Unlock the secrets to the top 5 selling websites. In the digital world, some marketplaces rise above the rest. Let's reveal these online selling giants together. Amazon, the name synonymous with online shopping. From books to electronics, it's a one-stop shop that's changed the face of retail forever. Next is eBay, the auction-style marketplace. Here, unique items and collectibles often find their perfect match with eager buyers. Alibaba, a bridge to the vast Chinese market. It's an international trading platform where businesses meet their sourcing needs. Etsy, the hub for everything handmade and vintage. This marketplace empowers artisans and craftspeople, connecting them with a worldwide audience. And lastly, Shopify, the platform that lets anyone set up their own online store. It's the key to turning small-scale ventures into big businesses.